I roll in with Oxy-Dry, and I'm doing the post-vacuuming on this, what was a very badly stained up carpet. So if you can see exactly how it turned out in the end, the nasty stains which were right over there are gone. It's just a bit damper there. Well, it looks just slightly bit darker. But this carpet turned out amazing, as you can see. Over there was really black, that's all gone. Same with right here, again, all gone. Looks like a new carpet. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention to you. You guys are using Hoover Hush Tone. Here's a little tip for you. When you go to release the vacuum, make sure you release it and then pull it back. Don't be pulling it back and then releasing it. That will put strain on your catch there and it would possibly break it. You're not indestructible, so just be careful with it, is all I'm saying. You don't want it to last forever. Whoops. Good thing I caught it, eh? As you can see, this carpet is looking amazing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.